Welcome to PreMath. In this video, we have got this blue circle inscribed in a right triangle, as you can see in this diagram, whose dimensions are 9, 12, and 15. And now we are going to calculate the area of this blue shaded circle. Please don't forget to give a thumbs up and subscribe. Let me make it very clear that this figure may not be 100% true to the scale. So let's go ahead and get started with the solution, and here's the very first thing we are going to do. Let's go ahead and draw the radii that are on these point of tangencies, as you can see over here. And here's our much nicer looking diagram where let me go ahead and call these radii. I'm going to call this radius R, this radius R, and this radius R as well. And now let's recall the circle theorem. According to this theorem, the angle between the radius and the tangent will always be exactly 90 degrees. So therefore these angles are going to be 90 degrees each. And now we can see that this is radius R, so therefore this side length is going to be R as well, and likewise this length is going to be lowercase r as well, since the radius is R over here as well. And now we know that whole length is 12, so therefore this side length is going to be simply 12 minus r. And on this side, this whole length is 9 units. So therefore, this side length is going to be 9 minus r. And now let's recall two tangent theorem. According to this theorem, if two tangent segments are drawn to one circle from the same external point, then they are congruent, as you can see in this diagram. So therefore we can see that this line segment is congruent to this one. And likewise, let's focus on this given problem. So that means this line segment is going to be congruent to this one, and this line segment is going to be congruent to this one. So therefore, if this side length is 12 minus r and they are congruent, so therefore this side length is going to be 12 minus r as well. And now we know that this side length is 12 minus r and this whole side length is 15. So therefore this side length is going to be simply 15 minus this whole thing, which is 12 minus r. Let's go ahead and simplify this thing. Let's go ahead and distribute this thing. That's going to give us 15 minus 12 plus r. And if we simplify this, that's going to give us 3 plus r. So that means this side length is going to be 3 plus r. And now we can see that this side length is congruent to this side length. This side length is 9 minus r and this is 3 plus r. So therefore we can equate them now. So therefore I can write 9 minus r equal to this other side length 3 plus r. Let me go ahead and move this 3 on the left hand side and negative r on the right hand side. So this is going to give us 9 minus 3 equals to r plus r. So therefore we got 6 equals to 2r. Let's divide both sides by 2. So therefore our radius r turns out to be 3 units. So therefore this radius turns out to be 3 units each. Here's our final step. Let's go ahead and calculate the area of this blue shaded circle. And now let's recall the area of a circle formula. Area equals to pi r square, where our r value we figured out equal to 3. So therefore the area of this blue shaded circle is going to be a pi times 3 whole square. So area turns out to be simply 9 pi square units. So thus the area of this blue shaded circle turns out to be a 9 pi square units, or this is approximately equal to 28.3 square units, since pi value is approximately equal to 3.14. Thanks for watching, and please don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more exciting videos. Bye.